In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how I went from an Afghan refugee and college dropout to my dream life, and how you can build a thriving 6-figure digital agency from scratch without needing technical skills, prior experience, or endless trial and error. Hi, my name is Sayed. Over the years, I've built multiple million-dollar brands. I served as a CTO for online companies. I was a lecturer at the Dubai University and became an invaluable resource to some of the most well-known creators in the industry. I've worked with big names like Nathan Nuits, Lost LeBlanc, Rabin Ghazali, Kosso, Crypto Stasher, Salar Azimi, and Rossam Bendania, some of them having multiple millions of followers. And I've helped them scale their businesses and achieve extraordinary results. And I know what you're thinking, but I don't have a technical skill, a team, or the time to start an agency. Here's the good news. You don't need to. The future of digital agencies lies in leveraging no-code tools, AI, and making scalable systems that I've already perfected in my own journey at WEBLYFE. The most successful creators and businesses today, they don't build everything themselves. They hire agencies that use cutting-edge tools like Webflow, Notion, Zapier, Typeform, Calendly to deliver high-quality results faster. And this is where you come in. The demand for digital agencies is exploding as the businesses, influencers, and creators seek help to grow their online presence. The world has been moving online for decades, and with the boom of AI tools, those who act now will have the upper hand. My program is built on a proven system that I've developed while dominating the online agency space for 4 years. For example, Nadi, one of my one-on-one students, closed her first deal for 1,500 euros for a simple landing page within 30 minutes of following my exact instructions during a group coaching session. Mahmoud started from scratch and scaled his agency to over 50,000 euros in revenue. And Ricky went from making an inconsistent 1.5K in a month to over 9,000 monthly, thanks to my framework and strategies. And he's the one that went to school for this, not me. WEBLYFE University has become the go-to training platform to aspiring creators and agency owners. We deliver exceptional results across industries. We teach practical, results-driven skills that others simply don't. They don't have this sauce. They don't know what they're doing. And this isn't about trying random strategies or following outdated advice. My system is backed by years of experience, real-world application, and real-world results. And the same strategies I've used to build million-dollar brands. The top digital agencies rely on no-code platforms to save time, deliver exceptional results, and scale faster. With my training, you'll master these tools and create systems that make your agency unstoppable. I've been in your shoes, frustrated in a 9-to-5. I craved freedom and success. I was following a study that I didn't really like, and I just didn't know if there was a way out. I started building systems and mastering design, branding, and no-code tools to just help and find a way out. Within months, I went from struggling to thriving. I dropped out of college, I moved to Bali, I met my incredible network, and I started to live my dream life. And this is why I'm here, to help you build a 6-figure digital agency. Whether you're a complete beginner or an entrepreneur looking to scale, but opportunities like this don't last forever. As the industry grows, early adopters will reap the most rewards. So don't let this moment pass you by. My student results speak for themselves, and you can check all of them out on the website. Mahdi, Mahmoud, Ricky, these are just a few examples. Imagine what you could achieve with the same system. The only reason I'm sharing this is because I've seen the transformative power of this system. Your success adds to the WEBLYFE legacy, and I'm committed to helping you win. Your success is a direct representation of my success and how I can leverage and help you more. Picture this, 2 months from now, you're running your own digital agency. You're landing high-ticket clients and earning more in a month than most do in a year. You have freedom, flexibility, and financial security. And I can tell you with a lot of confidence that I've done this. I make more than a surgeon with less time, more freedom, and less hassle. And here's what some of my students have been saying. Talon went from his struggling agency to his first 10K month within 2 months of my coaching. And Shafiq, somebody that really wanted to learn how to do this properly, was struggling and couldn't make any money. But last week he made 5K just on his own after completing my one-on-one coaching. I've put everything you need in one comprehensive program. the Techwiz curriculum. It includes all the different skills that you can have. They're like 6 different courses in one, and they all have to do with marketing, design, development, AI, digital agencies, everything in one. Whether you're starting with me with a free course that we give away to give you the basics and the understanding, the self-study course, or you get the one-on-one coaching with me with the group coaching, I offer distinct programs from a free program to group coaching and one-on-one coaching. All programs include access to my educational platform and own app, offering hundreds of hours of videos, instructions, live closing deals, group coaching calls, a gamified experience with homework assignments and personalized dashboard. Group coaching students join live calls. One-on-one students work directly with me and gain access to my network of famous partners and companies where I can supply you as tech wizards. Because the truth be told, I'm getting more applications for work than I can offer. My university is completely risk-free. If you execute everything I say, I guarantee that you are going to succeed. For my one-on-one coaching students, if you don't land at least one paying client through my coaching, I will coach you for free until you do. If you want to be the most valuable player for the next generation of companies and creators, press join now and fill out the application form. I'm only allowing the right kind of people into my community, and I only have capacity for 4 people a month for my one-on-one program. Remember, this opportunity won't last forever. I won't be able to coach you forever, and the developments are going so fast that if you don't jump on this right now, you might miss a big opportunity where you can literally print money through the internet. Click join now. Take the first step and book a call in with me or my team to see how we can help you best in your personal situation. I'm really looking forward to see you and to make you experience this incredible life that's possible with the right skills of tech wizardry.